In a surprising twist, foreign institutional investors, or FIIs, have turned net buyers in the Indian stock market last week, investing a net of 4,300 crore rupees. This move, after several weeks of net selling, signifies a notable shift in sentiment. It's like a breath of fresh air in a room that had started to feel a bit stuffy. The key question here is, could this be a sign of renewed interest in the Indian market? After all, the Indian market has been a hotbed for investments, thanks to its diverse and robust economy. But as we know, the market is a fickle beast, subject to many influences. So, while this shift might hint at a resurgence of interest, it's vital not to jump to conclusions. Instead, we should dig deeper into the possible reasons behind this change. While this is a positive development, it's important to delve deeper into what might have spurred this change. Several factors might have contributed to FII's recent investment behavior in the Indian market. One such factor could be the rising optimism about India's economic growth prospects. Factors like improving consumer demand and government initiatives have fueled this optimism and could be attracting foreign institutional investors back to the Indian market. Additionally, compared to other global markets, Indian equities might appear relatively undervalued at present. Thus, they could be more appealing to investors seeking value opportunities. On top of this, a potential slowdown in global interest rate hikes by central banks, like the US Federal Reserve, could also be playing a role. Such a slowdown could improve the overall investment climate for emerging markets like India, making them more attractive to FIIs. While these factors might have contributed to the recent buying, it's important to remember that this is just a snapshot of a larger picture. Before we declare this a definitive comeback, there are several considerations to keep in mind. The shift we've seen in foreign institutional investors' behavior occurred over a mere week. To confirm a true trend reversal, we need to observe if this net buying activity sustains over a longer period. The world doesn't exist in a vacuum, and neither does the Indian stock market. External factors like global geopolitical tensions, fluctuations in commodity prices, and the trajectory of global interest rates can significantly sway FIIs' investment decisions. Additionally, domestic influences, such as India's government policies, economic performance and reforms, play a crucial role in shaping FIIs' sentiment towards the Indian market. Therefore, while the recent shift in FIIs' investment behavior is promising, it's too early to definitively call this a comeback. A careful watch on both global and domestic factors will help us better understand the sustainability of this trend.